Fast Cut Herb Tool from Xylus makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the Fast Cut Herb Tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish or for adding herbs to sauces or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the Fast Cut Herb Tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the Fast Cut Herb Tool, another great innovation from Xylus.
Double the spirals, double the fun with the OXO handheld 2-blade spiralizer. With this spiralizer, you can create pasta-like dishes, curly fries that you can bake, or even garnishes. The spiralizer features two stainless steel color-coded blades with an open blade design, green for 1/8 inch spaghetti curls and orange for 1/4 inch fettuccine spirals. It has a non-slip grip for comfort and a food holder to protect hands when in use that doubles as a cover for safe storage. To begin, twist to remove both blades and food holder from the spiralizer. Select the blade you want to use and twist to secure onto the non-slip body. Cut the ends of the fruit or vegetables so they're flat and even, and place the flat end against the blade. Apply pressure while twisting the vegetable clockwise to get long, uniform spirals. Spiralizing works best when the produce is straight and at least 1.5 inches in diameter. If the produce is longer than 6 inches, just cut it in half. If it isn't naturally straight, cut it into straight sections. When you start to reach the end of the fruit or vegetable, use the food holder for safety to keep your fingers away from the sharp blade. A few twists later, you have a plate of delicious and healthy vegetable noodles that you can dress up however you'd like. The spiralizer comes apart for easy cleaning, is dishwasher safe, and locks together for storage.